Hey guys, welcome to our channel CJ Dropshipping. We will be unboxing 7 hot styling dropshipping products in today's video to see if it's beneficial and convenient as in market. Many products perform well in ads every day, but not every product will have positive feedback. So testing and unboxing your selected products will be the previous step before you push to the market. I purchased these hot styling products from 1688 to show you guys as a consumer what's my actual reaction and opinion about these products. I hope this video will inspire your products picking skill. If you're interested in this topic, don't forget to smash the like to show your interest and subscribe as CJ Dropshipping. Drop your comments below to tell us which products you want to see and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any latest dropshipping trick and product recommendations. LED Shimmer Chi. Let's take a look at the first product, LED Shimmer Chi. The product package looks nice, or English packaging. Mark the product size and color printed with After Effects images. I really have a high expectation of this product because when I check in AliExpress, this product has thousands of orders every store and the picture looks really dreamy and warm. It's only one sparkling tree trunk wrapped with a golden tape to cover the wire or branches gathered together in the one plastic switch base. That's totally not I was expected. It looks like the branch should plug into the base, but what should I do next? I don't see the instruction. Oh, the instruction and the component is printed on the sidebar here. And I supposed to arrange the flexible bench into my desired style. Okay, then it looks a little bit better now. The folded extended, probably I reduced the package size to lower the shipping cost. I will insert the battery, finger crossed, hope it will look nice like picture. Wow, much better. Let's see the effect on the dark. Now it looks exactly like the picture, especially when we look at it with a little distance. Great. Overall, the product is matching with the description and the pictures. Be careful about the folded bench style when opening it and the obviously tape ink. You may want to avoid these 2 pinpoints. Adjustable measuring spoon. The next product is an adjustable measuring spoon. The KitchenAid is trending due to the pandemic. People spend more time at home. Let's check out these products. Or English package with products using images looks really nice and easy to understand. There are 2 measuring spoons inside, one big one and one small one. And the big one measures by cup or teaspoon, and the small one can measure by tablespoon or teaspoon. Simple to use just by pushing the button to desired tick mark. The button moves very smoothly. Beside the tick mark on the handle, there also have tick marks by ounce and the milliliter on the scoop. It's very convenient to use for different measuring units on the receipt, and you don't have to look for right size among a pile of measuring cups each time. Now let's test out to see if it will leak. No leak, great. And we can easily separate the spoon into 2 parts and wash it. After cleaning, we can just stick the spoon on the fridge since there is a magnet on the bottom. Highly recommended. Robert Bluetooth speaker. This is a rubber style Bluetooth speaker with a power bank. Have a black and a white 2 color option. The first moment I got this packaging, I have an institution that this product was not easy to sell. The package prints in Chinese and English. Although the product looks quite technological, when I opening the speaker, the lousy opening sounds really ruin my mood. I have tried the Bluetooth feature and voice call, and it has poor connection and voice quality, plus low tone quality. I don't want to waste my time testing more features on this product. Big no for this product. I must say the electronic products are better to test out before increasing investment in advertising. For those products often looks nice, but they will cause a high rate of disputes after receiving. Let's move on to next product. Maternity bag. Maternity bag was so popular in 2020, and it evolves into all kinds of features like bag can turn into a crib, comes with a power bank. If these products come into my site, it's because of the low price. This product is only half or 1/3 of the other maternity bag. These products come with a plastic bag. It might be better to change to a customized zipper bag. Let's see a vast storage space with 4 pockets inside. It can accommodate at least 4 15-inch laptops. Imagine converting to a baby clothes. How much we can put? On the front, 3 pockets are made with insulation material that can effectively prevent a nursing bottle from getting cold. The other 2 side pockets increase storage space, one side especially designed for tissue, with no rough edges and thread ends. This is far beyond my expectation. If you're selling similar maternity bag, you could consider this to fill in gaps for low-priced products. Portable printer. Unlike regular large printer, this is a specialized label printer. Imagine that all future labels are printed by the mobile phone and looks more tiny and unified. I have pre-downloaded the app and fully charged the printer. I can design the word, style, and font in the mobile app and print for barcode and QR code with a template. I have created my own content on the app. Let's check out the printing results. Here is a paper cutter and a paper exit, clear print and can stick well with items. The result of this product is quite powerful, compact and rugged design, convenient to carry. All the features can level up your price setting. However, the package contains Chinese characters, and the products come with an instruction and a warranty card written in both English and Chinese, which will lower the consumer's purchasing experience. The product packaging is another point that we need to consider when we were taxing products. Pulse oximeter. Due to the COVID-19, any products related to health and the pandemic come to a hit. This product has no exception. It was originally just standard home medical equipment for elderly and chronic disease sufferers, and now the audience basis is widely expanded. These products come with an English package, 1 oximeter, and 1 English menu. Easy to use, just insert the battery, then put your finger onto the clamp, then press the white button. The oximeter will collect your pulse and your oxygen saturation, show on your screen. And it's the same as the oximeter from the hospital, just without heavy machine and the cords. Lotus acupuncture mat. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this product, Lotus acupuncture mat. This is actually an old product. Every year in Q1, we receive many sourcing requests for it, and it comes with a storage bag for a yoga mat printed with posture upright. I'm not sure about the MOQ of reprinting the brand, but for sure, we can customize the packaging. Inside the bag, there are 1 pillow and 1 pad full of massage head unions. Each union looks like a lotus flower, and all the tips are like needles. I'm supposed to lie on the mat and all the massage unions will pinch to my acupuncture point to promote my health. Let's try it out. Ouch, that really hurts when I try it, especially with bare skin. You can see the dense mark on my arm. I can't even imagine how the model lay on the mat when they were shooting these images. And no one will know can these products promote health or not. Even though the cover is removable, I still won't recommend this product. There are many factors we still need to weigh the pros and cons when deciding to promote one product. You can't consider all the factors at once without the real product. That's the point I'm trying to show in this video with 7 popular products unboxing. If you want to see us unboxing your products, please drop your products on the comments. We will select products from comments for our next unboxing video. Don't forget to smash a like to show your love, and please subscribe us CJ Dropshipping. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye!